The two factions of the Citizen Coalition for Change (CCC) have mocked Tshabangu over reports that is allegedly advocating for a dialogue with the ruling parties and PF to form a government of national unity, a move that would see the next general elections postponed from 2028 to 2030. Sadapena mashoko blanyu kopana pa zvinzi au Tshabangu pamkwa ino omokewa nemamwe mafactions Citizen Coalition for Change yakaita seana Timba Nana Wishman movie not was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tivina Mnamudanyo comes Tshabangu, who claims to be the CCC Secretary General and leads a rival faction, is reportedly lobbying for the establishment of a GNU. However, other CCC factions have dismissed the proposal as individualistic and absurd. Julius Madzimori, a spokesperson of the faction led by Wishman movie and Tshabangu, said Tshabangu should instead be focusing on pushing for electoral reforms in preparation of the 2028 elections. Promise Mkwananzi, spokesperson for the CCC faction led by Jameson Timber, dismissed the proposed GNU as nonsensical, reaffirming the faction's commitment to contesting the 2028 elections. In contrast, Tshabangu says spokesperson Kobizita Mlilo defended the GNU proposal. He mocked the rival CCC factions, adding that they were entitled to their opinions. Political analyst Pardon Tawodzera criticized Tshabangu's suggestion, describing it as historically myopic and politically naive. He argued that the present political climate does not mirror the existential crisis that led to the formation of the GNU in 2009, said Tawodzera. The idea of a GNU is not new in Zimbabwe. Robert Mugabe, then leader of ZANU-PF, and Morgan Tsvangirai, leader of the then main opposition MDC, formed a GNU that governed from 2009 to 2013. Zimbabweans who lived through the hyperinflationary crisis of 2008 and 2008 and the subsequent GNU period often express nostalgia for the arrangement, which brought a level of political and economic stability not experienced before in independent Zimbabwe. Tomashukara kudanyo kwa panapa aiwa tikuona kuti Tshabangu nema spokesperson ake panapo yachimokewa nema factions vachinzi aiwa hapana kana GNU memchita just because you are not the authentic opposition. Pinda comment section medu dzimafunguro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.